In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the power steering return line fitting on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Using some hose clamp pliers, take this hose clamp off. You're going to want a drain bucket underneath to catch any fluid because you're going to lose some power steering fluid. Squeeze that. You can just pull the hose while you squeeze the clamp. And there's some fluid coming out. Let that drain. Using an 18mm socket, just go right over where the nut is. You're going to need a deep socket. Slide that off. There's the fitting. I'm going to take the new fitting, line it up, get this started. And we'll tighten this up. If you have a socket that's deep enough, you can use that, or just a crow's foot. And you want to torque this to 20 foot-pounds. And I'll take the hose clamp pliers and we'll squeeze the clamp again. If your clamp's in rough shape, you want to replace that. This one's pretty good. Squeeze that. Go over the fitting. And that's good. Now you want to take the power steering cap off the reservoir, the fluid, and you want to top off the power steering fluid with the appropriate type. Then with the front wheels off the ground, we're going to put the cap back on, and you're going to turn the steering wheel back and forth about 20 times, stop to stop, with the engine not running. After that, you want to double check the level, adjust accordingly. You could do it again about 5 times, and then start the engine, turn the wheel back and forth, shut it down, double check the reservoir, adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.